Sunny Beach in Bulgaria is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning scenery and vibrant atmosphere. Located along the Black Sea coast, Sunny Beach attracts tourists with crystal clear water and golden sandy beaches stretching for miles. Sunny Beach, one of the largest seaside resorts in Bulgaria, attracts travelers from all over the world who are looking for an unforgettable beach vacation. The resort town boasts a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to inexpensive apartments, so every traveler will find something for themselves. Tourists who have visited Sunny Beach often praise its picturesque scenery with panoramic views of the sea and nearby mountains. The area is also known for its well-maintained promenade with restaurants, bars, stores and entertainment venues to suit every taste. Thus, Sunny Beach offers a delightful combination of natural beauty, lively tourist environment and affordable accommodation, making it an ideal destination for those looking for a sunny beach vacation.